Welcome to Torre Santora today. We are in the colonia of Arcos Vallarta. We're in the hub of everything here in Guadalajara, guys. You've got so much around you. If you're looking to live that cosmopolitan lifestyle, this is where you want to be. Today, we're going to go and check out this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment that has the construction of 116 square meters, built in 2024. So everything is very new here. It has really great facilities. You have an infinity pool, a very well-equipped gym, a beautiful hangout area, and we're in the grilling space right now. I know I don't do many real estate videos in Guadalajara, but now and then I am super excited to show you what's available here. Come with me today, guys. Let's go and check it out together. Come and check out the apartment with me. This 3-bedroom apartment was built in 2024. As you can see, it's a nice open plan concept here with the kitchen, the granite surfaces here to my left, a space for a table. You've got views from the living room. Lovely views from every bedroom, actually. This apartment is 116 square meters, and it does actually feel quite spacious. You know, now and then it's really good to show the real estate market here in Guadalajara because the offerings are so different here in Guadalajara. When you do walk into the living area, your viewpoint is great. It's wonderful. You're looking over Americas, all the way to Chapultepec. You can see the mountains of Bugambilias and La Primavera in the distance. You're in the heart of town here, in the heart of Guadalajara. So coming in from one of the 2 balconies, this is your living area and good space. I mean, they have a little L-shaped couch here, fits really quite well. And over here, this is your dining room table that runs on nicely to your kitchen, which has space to put some benches under here for breakfast. A little seating area here is perfect. The kitchen's a good size, plenty of cabinetry, plenty of storage space. What I like about these modern apartments, they've really utilized every little nook and cranny to make it all flow very nicely. And just to point out as well, you've got this nice cove lighting, and I'm sure that looks really nice at nighttime. So let's go and check out the rest of the apartment. Here to my right-hand side, this is where we have the laundry area, a bit more storage space too. Coming into the 1st bedroom, this is the guest bedroom. Each of the guest bedrooms have a built-in closet space. All of them have great views. Here is the 2nd guest bedroom, and they're almost identical in size. If you did want air conditioning, they are hooked up for air conditioning. We've got the windows open, and actually it feels pretty nice with the fresh air coming in. As you're on the 7th floor, you get a nice airflow coming through all the time. And you've got a little bit more storage here to my left-hand side. And on my right-hand side here, this is where we have a full ensuite bathroom with a 1-sink vanity and a walk-in shower. So behind me, we're walking into the principal bedroom, and they all have the same positioning. What I like about this principal bedroom, it does have a balcony outside. There is space to put some chairs and a little table and maybe a plant or something. It does feel quite breezy being on the 7th floor here. This is a good sized room. I mean, you could easily fit a king size bed here. Every room has hookups to put your air conditioning unit. Here, this is where we have a walk-in closet, another ensuite bathroom, walk-in shower, and a 1-sink vanity. So here in the clubhouse, we have this really beautiful infinity pool. We are on the 14th floor here, and what about the views? This is where I would come and chill out for sure. We have beautiful panoramic views of Guadalajara from here. And just around the corner here, we have a really cool seating area where you can come and hang out with your friends, and then that leads us on to the fully equipped gym. And if you're into a bit of grilling, there's this great space where you can come and hang out with your friends and family. So as per usual, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video tour of this apartment today. Check out in the description if you want more information about this one. I'll leave a link to the listing in the description of the video. Let me know. I can organize a tour for us to come and see it together. Take care of yourselves. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification button, and give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, welcome, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.